Hello guys, today we start how to create a blog. So you can usually use mobile phone or desktop PC. So use your browser and search on Google browser. Then press eh, then the first link has been provided. Click on that. Then you get a bar like this. So create your blogs. Then after that on after you press on that here, then it's take not lots of time. It's require sign in. So so here provide your name what you want. Sorry, the blog is here. This block is available now. You can assign it. First enter here lots of block. At that block it shows this. Then click on next button. Display the name blogger profile. Then mine I will add my name. Sing. Yes, we have finished. Then the processing. Display name is updated. Then here you can use themes, layout, customize themes like that. You can use these themes, layout and pages. All things are here provided by our Google Blogger. So you can easily use it and do what you name. In in blogging you have to use a unique name to search on Google. So if you want to show the next series of this blogging, then please like and subscribe the channel to explore new things. If you have any questions, then you can comment, or if you want anything new, if you want have any query about anything, then you can comment. So thank you guys.